Improv Learning uses comedy and AI to help you prevent nuclear verdicts while reducing your collisions and operational costs.
Ton of anecdotal evidence. A, drivers are more engaged and they pay attention and they enjoy course, right? So at least they don't dread every time the supervisor tells them, hey, you have to do another driving score. At least you don't get a roll of the eye, right? That's number one. The part we proud on the most, we had 4 studies done, and they were total independent studies. 3 were done by state of Florida, 1 by state of New York, and they did a real study where they had a control group and the study group, and all studies showed a significant reduction in not only in violations, but more importantly, collisions. Because to me, that's an ultimate measure. Somebody learned how to avoid a ticket. Okay, what has been accomplished? And that's the part I'm really proud of. And the reductions were significant. And we see, like, again, when you work with real customers, it's harder to create a control group, but compared, let's say, year over year, we constantly see a reduction in unsafe driving. We see in cases where unsafe driving dropped by 76%. Now, those could be simple things. The driver consistently wears a seatbelt or stops staring at the phone while they're behind the wheel or eating a hamburger. All those little things